Ready to unlock the power of Tableau and get your stunning data visualizations into the hands that need them. First off, let's tackle sharing via Tableau Server or Tableau Cloud. If your organization uses either of these, publishing is a breeze. Simply go to the Server menu, click Publish Workbook, and a window will pop up here. You'll select your project, give your workbook a name, and configure permissions. Permissions are super important. You will need to decide who can view, edit, and interact with your content. Consider including comments, tags, and descriptions to help your team. Once published, your dashboard is accessible to authorized users right within the Tableau environment. Easy peasy. Alright, let's look at Tableau Public. This free platform lets you share your visualizations with the world. You'll go to File and click Save to Tableau Public. Log into your Tableau Public account and confirm the action. Your workbook will then upload to your profile, ready for embedding on websites or sharing via a direct link. Remember, anything published on Tableau Public is, well, a Euro public, so be mindful of sensitive data. Ready to present your insights offline? You can export your dashboard as a PDF or a PowerPoint. This method creates a static snapshot of your work. Just go to File, then Print to PDF or Export as PowerPoint. Customize the output, choosing to include specific sheets and adjusting the size. You can include the dashboard's original aspect ratios. This is great for presentations or when you need a quick, easily shareable format. Finally, let's share directly within Tableau. Go to the Share menu. Once you've clicked the Share button, you can find the direct link, which allows a direct link to your dashboard. You can customize this link or embed it on website. This allows for interactive exploration. Then, you might want to set user permissions so they can only view or allow full access. This method is also great when wanting quick access and analysis of your works by stakeholder or team members. So, there you have it. With these options, you can effortlessly share your Tableau creations and unleash data-driven insights with the world. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tableau tips.